Hey everyone, I am so excited to be coming to you today with a giveaway. I hinted to this giveaway in my review of the style on my head, which is Everyday Elegant by Gabor in the color Chocolate Caramel. And we're here. This giveaway is a partnership with Continental Wigs. They actually partnered with me to do the review and graciously sent me a wig to give away. So the review was of two colors, this color and I think it's sugared silver, but this is the one that I'm giving away, the chocolate caramel. If you would like to register for this giveaway, please go into the description box below. There is a link to Rafflecopter. I use Rafflecopter because it makes giveaways super easy. I don't have to write all the names down and put them in a hat and draw a name out. All I have to do is ask you to register, and then Rafflecopter does the selecting. All you need to do is put in your name and email address. Your email address allows me to contact you if you win. So please make sure it's an email address that you check. So you've got about 5 days to get registered for the giveaway. I want to thank Continental Wigs for partnering with me on this. They were so gracious to send me an extra wig so that I could give away a wig. And it's fantastic when these retailers support us in this way. So in the description, you will find a link to my review. If you've not seen my review of this super cute style, go check that out. You will find the link to the giveaway and all of the details of the giveaway, kind of the, legalese, mumbo jumbo, terms and conditions kind of thing. And then you just have to get registered. I'm not going to ask you to jump through any hoops to be qualified. All you have to do is put in your name and email. Thank you so much for being here, for supporting my channel, my wig reviews, and your sisters through your comments and your likes and subscribes to my channel. What that does is it helps people find me in search better, because the more engagement there is on my channel, the more YouTube thinks it's valuable and recommends it. So I really, from the bottom of my heart, ask that you would consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and turning on notifications if you want to know when I upload videos. But just subscribing is a good start to helping my channel grow. And again, the more sisters that we help, the better. So anyway, that's it, guys. Go register for that giveaway if you'd like to try this super cute, low density, low permatease style. Go check out the review if you're unsure. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.